Japan's new fifth-generation fighter aircraft is another cutting-edge aircraft. Mitsubishi X2 Shenzhen will be equipped with radar-absorbing coatings on its outer skin, a retractable undercarriage, and an internal weapons bay. KKFX is produced under a joint agreement between South Korea and Indonesia. South Korea holds 80% of the shares and costs in the relationship. The KKFX is set to replace their aging fleet of F-16s. The new fighter will have a 50% larger combat radius, 34% increased lifespan with upgraded avionics stealth and radar systems. HASA F313 Kahir is an Iranian single-seat stealth fighter aircraft. The fighter is built with cutting-edge materials that allow it to have a very low radar signature at low altitudes. Its design also will allow it to take off from very short runways. It also has simple design that allows for more affordable maintenance costs with little downtime. The aircraft has a diamond-shaped design and a single-seat layout, twin-engine with an internal weapons bay. The aircraft is believed to be one of the best multi-role fighter aircraft, having great air-to-air and air-to-ground attack capabilities. The aircraft is also believed to have advanced cockpit displays and digital flight assistance. The Sukhoi Su-57 is categorized as a fifth-generation fighter aircraft and is known for its stealth capabilities, superb maneuverability, supercruise as well as advanced avionics. These technological advances make the Su-57 highly superior to predecessor models in regards to marine and ground defense capabilities. With a high fuel load, the Sukhoi Su-57 has a supersonic range of nearly 1,000 miles, which is reported to be more than twice that of the Su-27, another highly capable fighter jet in the Russian arsenal. The F-22 Raptor is the first operational fighter aircraft to have a GBU-32JDAM satellite or inertial smart bomb technology. With a precision strike capability, Lockheed Martin Boeing F-22 Raptor is capable of air combat fighting, surveillance and intelligence reconnaissance, and delivering air strikes. The Lockheed Martin Boeing F-22 Raptor is the most capable multi-role fighter aircraft in today's age. The Lockheed F-35 Lightning is an advanced and relatively affordable fifth-generation fighter with extraordinary supportability for all types of military operations. This aircraft is set to provide the majority of the air power for the U.S. Air Force, Navy, and Marines. This aircraft is projected to remain in service until 2017. The F-35 program is the most expensive weapon system ever developed. Well, the world has to be afraid of this fifth-generation fighter aircraft. Some of its features are super cruise technology, short takeoff, short landing, and incredible stealth capabilities. This fifth-generation aircraft has left many deadly giants in the dust. Further information is classified, but there is no doubt that this aircraft will modernize China's Air Force. It is also becoming a concern for many people in Washington.